Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I'll do a very simple recipe. It's evening time here almost, and this is the time usually when I feel the hungry most. And I want to eat something. I want to I'm like constantly craving for food. So I thought, why not make something which we can also have for breakfast. But since it's evening and I'm feeling hungry, so I thought I'll quickly do this because it's easy, quick, and absolutely yummy. So today I'm going to show you how I make my egg mayo sandwich. This is very simple, and it is made in no time. It's a very simple, light filling for the sandwich, and we have lettuce also. We use lettuce for this as well. So without giving too much details on the recipe, I'm going to show you how I make it, and I hope you like it. So let's start with the video. So let's start with the sandwich. So since I am making egg and mayo sandwich, and to that I might add cheese as well. I haven't thought about it, but if I want, I can add cheese as well. But it's primarily egg and mayo sandwich. So for that we will need eggs. So these eggs are all hard-boiled eggs. Don't keep them too soft. This kind of sandwich tastes better if you have the yolk a little hard and it's well cooked. So I have 5 here. You can decide the number of eggs you want in your sandwich. We of course have bread. So this is jumbo bread, and I am using this one because I like big, large size bread for my sandwiches. But it's absolutely not necessary to use these kind of bread only. You can use brown bread, small size, medium size, large. So it just anything you can use. It's absolutely no problem. So I'm going to, so if you can see, this is the size of the bread. So I like this large size bread. So total I will make like 2 sandwiches, which are quite enough. So we have 4 here. I get it from a local store here. So that way it's quite easy to get this kind of stuff. So the bread goes away. So I've taken 4 slices of bread. So what I'll do is, since this bread is kind of a cold sandwich is something which you don't sometimes we put filling in a sandwich and then we toast it on a toaster or something like that. This is one sandwich where you don't need to do anything as such. But I don't like to eat my bread just like that. I like it a little toasted. So what I'll do is I'll just warm it up a little. Mixture, I have already added 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, and I will be adding 1 more teaspoon of mayonnaise, the 2nd teaspoon. If you want, you can add more. Please don't go by you have to add 2 teaspoons only. I like it to be only this much because I will be adding a few more things to this mixture. After adding mayonnaise, I will be adding mustard sauce. So I'm using this spoon of this. So this much, or a little bit more. Now to this we will be adding salt. 1 small teaspoon and a little bit more. And to this we will also be adding black pepper. If you don't have mustard sauce at home, you can absolutely skip this, and you can make do with mayo and pepper and salt only. So don't worry too much about the mustard. This mixture is now ready. Now I will quickly start assembling all the sandwiches. So first what we do is that we will take the sandwiches basically. So first we will start applying butter to two of these breads, because these I will use as the top portion of the bread. So I'll first apply butter here on these two. This lettuce, so I'll put it here and put it here, one. Then we will put the sandwich mixture. Sorry, I have 2 spoons here. So we'll put the sandwich mixture. So I have some cheese slice, so I'll be using this cheese slice in between. Sorry, I just messed up a little, so this is fine. And on top of that, I will cover it with one more lettuce leaf. Like, you know, if you want, you can add butter here as well, which I will be doing, because you know, if we are making it nicely, then we should make it nicely. But if you feel it's too much butter, you don't want to put, please feel free, you don't need to. So nicely I am going to press this. Now I'll do the same for this one. I'll just let this guy rest. So I'll be wrapping them. At the back. We don't have place at the front. Basically, this is secure. Since I have secured the sandwich with the paper with foil, now I'll just quickly cut it. So my sandwiches are all ready. I'll show It's too loaded. It's so yummy. So I would recommend that if you can, then please keep the mustard sauce because it really gives a distinct flavor to this sandwich. If you want, you can remove the sides as well if you like it, but I like it like this, so I'm not removing, but if you want, you can remove the sides as well. So I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time with some more div sandwich recipes, and I hope you will love them. Till then, bye.